Are you spending more time managing your freelance business than actually doing the work? Proposals, follow-ups, project management, invoicing, admin? Every hour you spend on that is an hour you are not billing. These 5 AI tools give those hours back, so you can focus on the work that actually pays. And none of them cost anything to start. Tool 1. HoneyBook AI. Most freelancers lose clients not because of bad work, because of slow follow-up. A potential client sends an inquiry. You are busy with a current project. You reply 48 hours later. By then they have hired someone else. HoneyBook AI fixes this permanently. It automates your entire client intake process. When someone fills out your contact form, HoneyBook sends an instant professional response, qualifies the lead, sends your proposal template, and follows up automatically if they do not respond. All of that happens while you are doing actual client work. The free trial gives you full access. Setup takes 1 afternoon. And from that point forward, no lead goes cold because you were too busy to reply. Your follow-up problem is solved before you even know it existed. Tool 1 handles your new clients. Tool 2 handles the work you do for them. Tool 2. Notion AI. Every freelancer eventually faces the same problem. Too many projects. Too many clients. Too many deadlines. Everything lives in different places: emails, messages, notes, documents. Notion AI brings all of it into one place. Build a client dashboard that shows every project, every deadline, every deliverable at a glance. Use Notion AI to summarize meeting notes, draft project briefs, and generate action plans from a single prompt. Ask Notion AI to create a complete project timeline from a client brief in under 60 seconds. The free plan handles everything most freelancers need. And once your entire business lives in one organized system, you stop losing time to chaos and start spending it on billable work. My personal take: Notion is the tool that makes a freelance business feel like an actual business. Not just a collection of projects held together by memory and hope. Tool 2 organized your work. Tool 3 is going to change how much you charge for it. Tool 3. Tactic. Here is something most freelancers never think about. Every client call contains gold. Insights about what the client really needs. Details about their budget. Hints about future projects. Most freelancers lose all of it because they are too busy talking to take proper notes. Tactic captures every word of every client call automatically. It works with Google Meet, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams. It transcribes in real time. It generates a summary with key insights and action items the moment the call ends. You never miss a client detail again. You never forget what was agreed. And you walk into every follow-up conversation knowing exactly what was discussed and what was promised. The free plan covers unlimited meetings with limited AA credits, more than enough to completely transform how you handle client calls. Tool 3 captured every client conversation. Tool 4 makes every piece of work you deliver better. Tool 4. Jasper AI. Freelancers who write, copywriters, content writers, marketers, email specialists, have one consistent bottleneck. First drafts. Staring at a blank document. Trying to find the opening line. Spending an hour writing something that should take 15 minutes. Jasper AI solves the blank page problem permanently. Give Jasper your brief, your tone of voice, and your target audience. It generates a complete first draft in seconds. You refine, edit, and add your expertise on top. You are no longer starting from zero. You are starting from 60% done. Freelancers using Jasper consistently report finishing projects in half the time, which means either taking on more clients or working fewer hours. Both are good outcomes. The free trial gives you enough to test it on your next 3 projects before committing to anything. Tool 4 eliminated your blank page. Tool 5 eliminates your most expensive time waster. Tool 5. Loom AI. Client communication. The single biggest time drain for most freelancers. Back and forth emails trying to explain something that would take 60 seconds to show. Loom AI lets you record a quick screen share or video message, and then automatically generates a written summary, chapter markers, and action items from that recording. Instead of writing a 500-word email explaining a revision, record a 90-second Loom walking through exactly what you mean. Loom generates the transcript and summary automatically. Clients get clearer communication. You spend less time writing. Revisions reduce because misunderstandings reduce. The free plan gives you 25 videos per month. That is more than enough for most freelancers to completely transform how they communicate with clients. Here is the complete freelancer stack. HoneyBook AI to never lose a lead to slow follow-up. Notion AI to run your entire business from one organized place. Tactic to capture every client call detail automatically. Jasper AI to eliminate the blank page on every project. Loom AI to communicate with clients clearly in a fraction of the time. 5 tools. All free to start. The freelancers doubling their income in 2026 are not working more hours. They are delivering the same outcomes in half the time, and keeping the difference. Now you have their exact stack. New video every week covering the exact tools helping ambitious people work smarter and earn more. The subscribe button is right there. See you next week.